Hello, this is training video for the Group Marketer Pro version 1.006. After you get this video, probably you will have a next number with some bugs fixed, but the functionality should be pretty much the same, maybe with a few changes and additions. So this is the main dashboard. You can type your message here, message, and you have three ways of posting. You can either have a message and link there and post just that, or you can have advanced link instead of having link here, or you can have both actually. That does not limit you to have only this. You can have advanced link. Advanced link essentially gives you ability to show specific forms, like built-in Facebook call to action if you are sharing the video, for example, from other Facebook, or if you grab the perma link from Facebook, it will essentially show all call to action, all actions, shares, groups, and everything which the Facebook have on the normal post. So this is the kind of a smart posting with this link here. So first is just this without anything here, or you can have message link or without link and the smart link here, or you can have have an image here. But this is very important to notice, you cannot have this smart link and image at the same time because Facebook does not allow it. So if you want to have this permalink sharing, or you have this full capabilities of this smart link, you have to use this smart link without an image. If you just want to have an image with a link on top of the image, you can use this one. So this is a free way of posting, just message with link or without, message with link or without with a smart link, or message with link or without with a group marketer. We are still talking about the standard features. And here you have a list of your groups. If you have more groups, you pay only 20 of so shows and res load when you scroll there. So let's say we have now number of groups, but of course you don't have time to select 500 or 1000 groups, or maybe just 100, maybe 100 only here. So we created the broadcasting profiles, which you can add at any time. So let's say I will do a new one. I will call it leads. So I will just mark it here and select which groups are for leads. In this case is my fresh domain leads. If I have 100 of those, I can mark them. Let's say I will select this one to have more and select. If you notice, you have a different color here. Each of those groups has different color, and if some of those groups belongs to more than one broadcasting profiles, you have all different colors, and different colors for each of those broadcasting profiles. So this is pretty much how this broadcasting system works. Then you just click broadcast message and the message is sent to the groups. So this is all for the standard features, and now we have many other features which are for the advanced level. So let me show you first of groups. If you want to find and search group and join them on autopilot, you can have a keyword search, and then you can have groups with this keyword in it. So essentially it is searching right now the old groups which have starting from internet marketing. This is right now set to start from the keyword because we found out this is the best way. We'll give the option in future and updates so you can change it and have it inside the text. This is because this is how the Facebook search work, so we make it faster. So we have these groups here. If I load more, I can go on and on. When I checked it manually, it was probably over 1,000 group for internet marketing. When I stopped looking, probably there are tens of thousands of groups for internet marketing. So let's say you have only those. You can just select them. I already joined them, so I will not be joining them, and click join groups. The software will go out, join the groups for you, and that's essentially it. You will be able later on, not in this version, we are adding it during the launch. After an update, you have also delay of joining group. Right now, just go there and join them, and you will have a slider here to join slower, and so you will not have to actually have 500 group join instantly. So this slider will be here by the time you watch this video, and by the time if you watch this video after you purchase it and after launch. So this is all about groups, very easy to use. Next one is broadcasting profiles. It's a very cool feature. It is the essentially Facebook accounts. We originally said that we only do 8, so you will have only 8 here maximum, but actually right now it's unlimited. On our sales page for Pro Update, video says 8. I changed in the text to 20, but true is there is no limit. Why we did put 8 at the beginning and 20 after? Because we found out that if you have more, essentially you will have to have a very strong computer with big memory to process. Imagine that you have a web browser open with 20 tabs, and all those tabs are logged in to Facebook accounts and do something there. Of course, it is slowing down the computer, slowing your internet connection, and so our suggestion is 8 on the lower side, but we suggest not more than 20 here on the upper side, but you are not limited. So if you have a very strong computer and you have big memory and a very fast internet, you just figure out how many posting profiles, how many Facebook groups, from Facebook account you want to use. What is very extremely cool about it is that those groups listed here and listed on broadcasting profiles here are between accounts. What does it mean? That you don't have to go back and forth between accounts and select separately, then schedule separately and do all this work and forget all about it and be lost in it. No, it's very easy. Essentially, if you have, I don't know, 20 Facebook accounts, all of those groups from 20 Facebook accounts will be listed here. So you can manage them in one dashboard and select those broadcasting profile between the groups. So as a marketer, you essentially don't care which of your accounts are logged to which group or on which groups, because what is important for you is a message and a promo you want to send. So what you want to do is essentially select here and just forget about the account. All you have to do is actually go to profiles, log into those accounts to have them there, and that is it. By adding is very simple. New posting profiles, you just add a new one and you are done. Again, all listed here, organized in one dashboard, in a major interface. You select what you want to post, and software take care where to post. This is pretty much all about posting profiles. And the last super cool feature is add a message to schedule. Very important is that the schedule work only with broadcasting profiles. You cannot have message schedule to manual. So if you are trying to do manual posting, which actually I have no reason doing anyway. So essentially, if you have the booking profiles, you have to be sure to select those booking profiles to be able to schedule message. So let's say I will just schedule for this one, and then I can click add message to schedule. And all I have to do is just put some date and time. Let's say it must be future. If it's very important. If it's not future, it will say you, okay, this is not future. It will not allow you to do anything. And then you can select like this, and time, of course. Let's say 1 and PM, and we are done essentially here. And if you click here, it is what messages you have scheduled. You can remove from schedule. If not, it will send it. This is important that you will have this application open. Essentially, it will post after the time schedule, but of course, it cannot post if you close the application. So if you schedule messages, just keep it in your bar open, minimized, and visit. This is pretty much all you need to know about the groups, essentially. Oh, maybe I will show you how to add to broadcasting profiles again, because it is the main feature we'll be doing. So let's do the new one. New select add to group, and we have this now in this group as well, and we can select more of those. And we have this nice color statuses for which of those broadcasting profiles it belongs. Thank you for listening, and I wish you good luck with software and best and profitable promotion. Goodbye.